Awais, can you answer why Muslim God looks like a man head to toe? Face, two right hands, leg, shin, loins. Is there anybody, any Dawa member can answer? So Awais has no answer. Muslim God is a man created by a man named Muhammad, head to toe. Muslim God is a man created by a man named Muhammad, head to toe. Muslim God is a man according to Islamic sources. According to Quran and Sahih Hadith, Muslim God is a man. So Muslims, they worship man, or they can prove me wrong otherwise. If he is not a man, then why he has a face? Muslim God is a man created by a man named Muhammad. Or if he is not a man, then he must be an idol. Muslim God is a man, a false God created by a man named Muhammad. Muslim God is a man created by a man named Muhammad, a false idol God. Muslim God is a man created by a man named Muhammad, head to toe with Islamic sources, Quran and Sahih Hadith. Muslim God is a man according to Quran and Sahih Hadith, according to Islamic sources. So they worship a man. Muslim God is a man. So still you want to answer my question? Or silent, speechless? I got you. You are refuted with one question. You can have a picture of this too. Do you worship a man?
I worship Allah.
So he is a man according to Islamic sources. You worship a wrong person. Is there anybody can answer why Muslim God is not a man? When their prophet is explaining, he appeared as a man, a perfect man with curly hairs. No Dawa guy dared to answer that question. If Allah has a face according to Quran, then it means Allah has teeth, tongue, and Allah has lips too. So if Allah has a face, tongue, lips, and teeth, it means Allah is eating. And if Allah is eating, then He's not worthy to worship. Oh, Muslim Dawa guys, they say, we cannot compare Allah with anyone. You cannot compare me with anyone. My fingerprints are different than anybody else. My footprints are different. So it means my hands are different than your hands. And they say, oh, the two right hands of Allah, we cannot compare. Two right hands? This must be an amazing description. And no Dawa guy is daring to answer to prove me wrong, because it is described by Quran and Hadith, the Sahih Hadith. Sister, Muslim God is a man, created by a man, a false God, head to toe. You can take a picture and verify the references.
I didn't bring my phone. My son reads this stuff. I was telling him.
Yes, just search body parts of Allah. 15 references. Muslim God, head to toe, is a man. These are their references. Oh, if I'm lying, why they are not explaining these references? Oh, yes. Now the truth has revealed. That is why they are not talking to me. Because I'm exposing their God. That translation is the most fake, corrupted translation. Yes. And this is the another separate Quran I have in my hand.
Okay.
They don't want to read. Muslim God is a man. Take a picture and verify. Still, I am standing tall here and asking these Muslim guys to prove that Muslim God is not a man, to prove that their God is love, the loving one. They failed to prove that. I have a different Quran in my hand. They failed to prove me wrong. So that is what they are deceiving people. Brother, this is the most deceptive translation. The most deceptive translation. I have right here different Quran in my hand. If they can prove me wrong, I will accept Islam. But they are wrong. That is why they are running away from me. Today is the time to expose Muslim Dawa guys, and nobody dared to answer my questions. They have their own Dawa script and they cannot answer their questions. Muslim God is a man. You can take a picture of this. I am not Muhammad. I am not Muhammad. If you have called me Shaitan, then I am not Muhammad. Brother, you can take a picture of this and verify the references. Muslim God is a man, head to toe. A false God created by a man named Muhammad.
Yeah, I agree.
Just take a picture and verify. And this is different Quran in my hand. They must have told you they have only one Quran.
Yeah.
And they even didn't dare to come close to me because I have a different Quran in my hand.
Yeah.
So don't fall. This is the most deceptive, corrupt translation, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
They have made up to deceive Westerns and Americans here.
Yeah. No, I'm a born again believer.
Oh, Lord bless you, brother.
Yes, sir. You
No.
follow Christ?
Yes.
Yes.
I asked them and challenged them $1,000 to prove it to me their God is love. And they ran away.
Yeah.
Simply asked them to prove it to me their God is love. Give me one reference from their text.
Yeah.
And they just ran away. I said, okay, no money. I will accept Islam if you prove your God is love. My God is love. He
Yeah.
proved it.
They I have respect for them.
Sir, we have a respect for humanity. But the thing is, we cannot respect deception,
Right. Yeah.
a lie.
Yeah. No, I was just trying to have a conversation and
Yes, good,
jumping
brother.
to a lot of different
Lord
points.
bless you. When they say we cannot worship Jesus, Jesus is a man, they do not know the full theology of Christianity.
Yeah.
God became man. But their God, according to their sources, is a man. Then they should reject their God. My point is that.
Yeah.
That is why I'm here. So Lord bless you, brother.
Yes, sir. Keep doing
Keep
what you're
your faith. And there is no other God except the one who loves you.
doing. Yes, sir.
Who loves you.
Can I shake your hand?
Oh, sure, brother. Sure. Lord bless you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. So these Dawa guys have disappeared just because of the truth. I just want to leave this place with this verse that resist the devil and the devil will flee from you.